Okay, so today I'm gonna hopefully not put this thing to the test, but I'm gonna take it with you. We here in northern Indiana have a level 1 snow emergency, which is basically illegal to travel unless it's a medical emergency. Which I would rather just stay here and not go out, because we have probably 12 to 16 inches of snow, heavy winds, and I don't know what the temperature was last time. We're in the negative double digits, so super cold. So I'm gonna venture out because I have to. I've got to go over to my parents' house, pick up my mom, and take her to Dialysis, which is about 20 miles away. So I don't know if you saw my last video, the get home bag. I'm gonna take that with me. I'm gonna wear a hat. I mean, it's got extra warm stuff in there, but I'll take gloves, hat. I've got some killer boots here, Carhartt winter coat, shovel, and cell phone. Once again, you would not normally want to go out in level 1 snow emergency, but if you have to, these are definitely things you need to take with you. Alright, that's all I got. Hope I make it back. Okay. So you can see, we've had a lot of snow. And it is 11 below 0. And I only have a 2-wheel drive Ranger, so the windshield is more than 30 below. If you have to do this, make sure you have a full tank of gas, because you never know if you have to park for a while. Also, the other things I have here in the truck is a tow strap, and I got my go bag, or my get home bag, and that's pretty much got everything else that I need. It is crazy cold out here. Not like this ever. That's that, as far as we can go. It was good until we got to the state line. This is the most main road that there is. And I don't know if you can see up there, those flashing lights. That's the state snow plow, and it is stuck. See, that's the road right there. The snowplow stuck down there.
I just figured
one little path here.
I just figured they'd have the roads.
A helpful little private citizen plowed for us.
I thought they would have the roads open right now.
It is a little bit. He opened it up right there because they had people that were trying to pass each other. We're gonna have to go home, and we're gonna try later in a couple hours. Okay, it's been a couple hours. I made it now to the drop-off point for where I was meeting somebody else to come pick up my mom to take her the rest of the way. About halfway here, I started losing oil pressure, and I don't know if the engine is gonna make it back. I'm hitting drifts. You gotta hit them at 35, 40 in order to bust through them. I think maybe it's just overworking the engine. So I am close to a Walmart. I'm gonna go in there and get some straight 40 weight oil. I gotta thicken this oil up. I stopped and I let the engine shut off for a while to try to let the negative 13 degree temperatures, maybe that will thicken the oil up. This truck has 151,000 miles on it, and they've been hard miles. And so I'm just gonna say a prayer that I can make it home, because I really, really, really do not want to get stranded out here. Alright, let's see if Walmart's got oil. Alright, that's the case I'm in right now. Oil pressure, very sketchy. Roads, also sketchy. I clearly didn't make it home before dark. With that kind of oil pressure, I still have, oh man, 30 miles to go. When I come up to an intersection, it flatlines. Normally I would never drive a vehicle in these conditions, but here's the deal. Nobody can come get me. So I can't call and be like, hey, I'm on the side of the road. Come pick me up. I'm kind of SOL here. There's still a level 1 emergency. So it's technically illegal to drive. The only reason I'm out here is because I had to take my mom to dialysis. She hadn't been to dialysis for 3 or 4 days because they had canceled. And anybody who knows anything about people with kidneys that don't work know that you gotta, if you don't have dialysis, you'll go into cardiac arrest and die. So it wasn't really an option. So this is my predicament. 30 more miles to go. If the engine holds out, great. Hope so. I currently almost don't have enough oil pressure to move the needle. I've got about 15 miles to go. My temperature's still good, so I don't think I'm in danger of seizing up the engine yet. But I'm on a 4-lane highway right now, so I'm not really facing too treacherous of weather other than ice. It is icy, but that's my concern right now. If I get the RPMs up more, I'm gonna have to drop down to the 3rd gear, get the RPMs up, so that way I can not lose the engine. There we go. 3rd gear, raise up the RPMs, gives me a little better oil pressure. I can't really go much faster than this anyway, so, oh boy, the needle's going all over. I'm totally screwed. Oh well. Just got off the highway. This is amazing because it looks like snowplows have just gone through here. That is a huge blessing. When I was coming down this road on my way to dialysis, it was almost impassable. I got 7 miles to go. Looks like I'm gonna make it. Even if I go to 0 oil pressure, I think I can make 7 more miles. So, looks like we're gonna make it. So, overall, definitely glad. I mean, I have the stuff that I have. Oh, people say, you know, why prep? Well, because sometimes you might just have to. You can see there's some drifts here. Sorry, it's hard to maintain a thought. I'm trying to drive here. Yeah. So apparently, even if they do plow, the wind is hard to keep up with. Oh yeah, sorry, back to my thought. Some people say, why do you need a get-home bag? Well, this is why you need a get-home bag. It's 18 below zero right now. 18 below zero. If I go in the ditch, it's gonna get very cold. Very fast. And the benefit here is I'm about 5 miles from home, so see some of these drifts are pretty good size. Oh, that's a big one. Oh shit. Can't slow down or I won't make it through these things. Still not as bad. Last time I was coming the other direction and there were cars on this side of the road and I was forced to completely drive on that side. And that side has got a lot more drifts than my side does. My two-wheel drive Ranger. So I guess two-wheel drives aren't completely incapable. The thing I really got going for me here is this thing's, you know, kind of up high in the air, so these drifts aren't slowing me down too much. And I got oversized tires on this. That helps get me even higher off the ground. Alright, so I made it. I'm home. All's well that ends well. Remember, survival, it's a state of mind.